It's because your laptop was muted.
So I think it's
Uh,
recording.
But now if I go back, I can see that it's recording. So anyway, write down the family of quadratics with a vertex minus 3, 2. Sorry, it's not 6, 7 for you amateurs.
It's okay.
Then find the equation of such a quadratic. So there's 3 parts to this. Even though there's a part A and a part B, it's actually getting us to do 3 things. Okay? So the first one, write down the family of quadratics. We know that it's going to be in the form of y equals a outside of x minus
H all squared
Plus 3.
plus k. So that's what we're looking at. We want to write it in that form. Once we've got it in that form, so what is the unknown thing going to be? We just did it in Desmos. A. So we're going to have y equals a. We've got x. What's our h in this particular case?
minus 3.
Minus 3 is our, yeah, so it's got to be a plus 3, doesn't it? Okay, all squared plus 2. Excellent. So you have now written down the family. Okay. What you now have to do is answer question A. So question A is asking us to find if x equals 5 is one of the zeros, we need to find the actual equation. So the equation is we need to find A, and then we can expand it out, or we don't even need to expand it out. But, oh yeah, we do need to expand it out. So we need to get it so we know what it is. All right, so what do? We know that x equals 5 is one of the zeros. How do we calculate the zeros? Y is 0. So what we do, yeah, so we substitute that in. So we get 0 equals a outside of 8 squared plus 2. Yeah.
Oh, because x equals 5.
X equals 5. I'll write it out so you see all of it. 5 plus 3 squared plus 2, which equals a outside of 8 squared
Which equals 64
plus 2, which equals 64a plus 2, which means minus 2 equals 64a, which means a equals minus 32.
What?
I'm trying to write it and I'm struggling. Minus 1 on 32. So all we did was sub in the x and the y and solve for a. Then what do?
Wait, put it back in. No.
Sub it back in.
Yeah.
So we got y equals minus 1 on 32 outside of x plus 3 squared plus 2.
Yeah, why do we sub it back in?
Because it asked us to find the equation of the quadratic. So that is the equation of the quadratic of that family that has one of its roots as 5. Then for question B, it says if the coefficient of x is equal to 1. Well, remember it's in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c. So what we need to do is expand this out so that we know what a is actually going to be. So, because the a we've got there isn't necessarily the same. Let's expand it out and see what we get. What is x plus 3 all squared?
X plus 3 all squared.
Square the first.
X squared plus 6x plus 9.
So you get a outside of x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus 2. Agreed?
Why do we do we just expand it first?
What are you lost with?
How did you get x squared plus 6? So you really can't be skipping steps.
I haven't skipped any.
How did you get to that?
X plus 3 all squared. I expanded it. It's the first step.
Okay.
It's the first step.
Yeah,
So I haven't skipped any steps. That is the first step.
skip the writing down bit.
Which bit?
Writing x plus 6 all squared.
Didn't need to. It's already written there.
You didn't clarify.
Yeah, it did. I said we need to do this a perfect square of x plus 3. What's the perfect square of x plus 3 all squared? There's the thing. If we're not listening. All right, we then expand that out. Ax squared plus 6ax plus 11.
Isn't it 11a?
Yeah. Bro,
No,
where did you get
9a plus
11
2
from?
Isn't it 9a?
Oh, no, 9a plus 2.
Yeah,
Excellent.
9A
Well done.
plus 2.
Okay, so now what?
Divided by a.
No.
No,
we could.
Factorize.
Yeah, you can see a perfect square in there. That'd be great. Okay, what do we do? Read the question.
X equals 1, so sub x
Greg.
equals 1. Doesn't the coefficient of x mean a is 1?
Nope.
Doesn't mean it's a single.
The coefficient of x equals 1.
Which means
It's a 6.
x
What's the
equals
coefficient of
1.
it? 6a equals 1.
What?
What's the coefficient of x?
6 on 1.
Coefficient of x is 6a.
Why? What? Hold on. Literally look at it.
Because it's the number in front of x.
Yeah.
Why is it 6? Why is x a? Does that matter?
Yes.
No, it's not y, it's 6a.
Coefficient of x is the number in front of x.
Yeah.
We don't know what a is yet. We need to find what a is. A equals 1 over 6.
Of course.
Now that we've got the coefficient, we've got the a, we can sub that back into the original equation. And we get y equals 1 over 6 outside of x plus 3 all squared plus 2. That's it. So in all of those cases, you've got the family has the a, then you're given some parameters so that you can calculate, you can solve for a. Once you've solved for a, you put a back into the original one, and you've now got the specific family member that you were looking for. Okay? They are still all of the same family. In other words, they come off the same vertex, but now one of them, you can see that one of them is a positive and one of them is... No, that's it. Is one of them a negative?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, yeah, minus 1 over 32. Yeah.
One positive, one